Jomerica. Magandang umaga sa inyo mga inday, mga dudong. Ang oras dito sa Jomerica, ay patay. Ang oras dito sa Amerika mga inday is 8:14 in the morning mga inday. Ang panahon natin ngayon day is makulimlim and foggy. Ay naku day, ito yung panahon na sinasabi ko sa inyo mga inday na ayaw ko day. Pero wala tayong magagawa. Minsan, ganyan talaga yung panahon. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo mga inday, hindi pa ako naka-open sa kurtina namin, day. Ilagay mo kayo dyan, day, ha? Para ma-open itong kurtina natin dito. Para papasok yung liwanag. I think umuulan, day. Tingnan ko, umuulan kasi basa kasi yung yung mga yung damo basa. So, pero, wala akong, umuulan ba talaga? Wala akong nakita na day. Nung ulan, day ba? Tingnan nga natin, be. Tingnan natin, day. Para sure. Oh, patay. Tinalian ko yung buhok ko, day. Kasi nga, nagpapaligo ako kay Bibi Kano. Ay, hindi ko pala siya, hindi ko siya papaliguan muna kasi maaga pa, masyadong maaga pa. May day, may laman yung pampers niya. Alam niyo na kung ano yun. Hindi ko na i-explain. Tingnan natin, i-open natin yung door. I-check talaga natin, no? Para sure. Ulan ba? Ay, ulan siya, day. Ulan siya, day. Taligsik. Iwan ko anong Tagalog ng taligsik, day. Ayaw ko na lang lumabas, day. Diba? Ito yung panahon natin, day. May dito, squirrel, oh. Nasa kuryente, day. Tumatakbo. Nasa kuryente yung squirrel. Hoy, sana all. Makalatay sa, kuryente. O, tingnan nyo, basa, oh. Uy, hindi tayo maka-walking nito, day. Gusto ko sana mag-walking, day. Ay, naku, sana all. Gusto ko sana mag-walking ngayon ba? Kasi kahapon, alam nyo ba mga inday, nag-walking na si Akich. Nag-walking na ako. First time kong nag-walking. Kasi nung summer day, nag-walking talaga ako dito. Basta may time ako mag-walking day. Kasi yung anak ko may trabaho. So minsan lang ako sa isang week, 2 beses ako naka-walking. So, kahapon nag-walking talaga ako kasi for now, walang trabaho yung pangalawa kong anak. Kasi huminto siya dahil hindi na niya kaya doon. Basta, malayo kasi yung work niya ba. So ngayon mga inday, today is the day. Today is a day na interview din ng anak ko mga inday. Ay, patay. Interview niya today, day. Hopefully, I pray na sana tatanggapin yung anak ko, day. Kasi malapit lang talaga sa amin, day. Pwede ka lang mag-bicycle. Pero ang plano namin, day, ang plano ng anak ko, kapag tanggapin siya doon, bibili siya ng electric bike. So, hopefully, I pray kay God na sana tatanggapin siya. Kasi yan yung pinapangarap niya na work, day, na malapit lang talaga sa amin dito. So, let's see mga inday, i-update ko kayo kung ano ang update sa work ng anak ko. So, ngayon, magpapaligo muna ako kay Bibi Kano. Nandyan sa bucket, nandito sa bathroom. Hindi pwede pakita, yung ulo lang ni Bibi Kano, oh, nandyan. Ulo lang. Ulo lang, ang ulo. Hi, ate! Naglalaro si Bibi Kano, day. Mahilig siya sa day. Mahilig siya sa tubig. Nagsawsaw-saw sa tubig. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala kasi yung tubig dito sa Amerika, day, is may hot water naman, day. So, hindi siya malamig. Sige, update ko kayo mamaya, mga inday. Sige, you talk to them na. Bata, you talk to ate ba? Sige, you talk here, oh. We are live in TikTok. Sige na. We are live in TikTok right now. Okay, you talk to them. Sige na. Yeah, you talk to them there. Hi, mga ate. Hello. Yeah. Day, ipopost ko to sa aming YouTube channel, Day. Day, mga inday, nagla-live yung ating batuta sa TikTok ngayon. Nagla-live talaga siya. Tara, Day, oh. Yan, nagla-live talaga yung bata-batuta natin, Day. Tapos na maligo yung bata-batuta natin. Clean na yan. Oh. Oh, na, oh. Sobrang likot na, Day. Nakaligo na, frisco na yung pakiramdam ni Bibi Kano. Andun yung mama, hindi pa frisco. Ay, hayaan nyo yan. Ganyan talaga ang mama, always last. Hello mga inday. Ngayon mga inday, punta tayo ng labas. Na-remember ko dahil hindi ko pala na-check yung mailbox namin dahil for ano na ngayon dahil 3, 4, 5 days day. 5 days day, hindi ko na-check yung mailbox. I think yung mailbox namin day is puno na ngayon day. Wala day, hindi ako naka-jacket day. Tingnan, i-check natin. Baka nalock tayo na eh. Ayun, hindi naka-lock day. Si Bibi Kano day is tulog na si Bibi Kano. Tingnan natin yung labas kung kaya lang ng ating power. Yung kalamig, yung lamig ba? Hala day, may langgam. Ang laki ng langgam. Narinig niyo ba yun? Day, marami ng mga langgam, day. Nandyan sa pine tree, yun nga, oh, yun. Nakita niyo ba? Lumipad. Kaya lang yung lamig, day. Pero ano siya, day? Ano ba to? Cloudy? Cloudy yung weather namin ngayon. Yung bahay namin, sobrang tahimik dito sa amin, day. Yung mga kapitbahay namin, wala. Wala kang makikita na mga kapitbahay namin na palakad-lakad or yun nga sa kabatalyon day yung mailbox namin ang dami. Tingnan niyo ba? Oh, ang kapal. Yung sabi ko sa inyo kanina, hindi ako nag-open ng mailbox namin. Ang dami, may mga dyaryo ganito kasi dito sa Amerika day yung mga dyaryo, yung mga product nila, pinopromote nila yung product nila, nilalagay nila sa mailbox. So ito yung ating weather for today. Ngayon nga, may mga sasakyan padaan. Pasok na tayo day. Buti na lang ay hindi masyadong malamig. Buti na lang talaga. Kaya lang day, parang nasa aircon ka lang. Close natin for the safety for the coast. Tingnan nga natin, dito lang tayo sa front porch day. Tingnan natin kung ano to day. Titingnan natin. Ano to? Ito ay bangko. Gusto mo mag-utang ng bangko? Hala, diyan ka punta. Yan pulis, ano to? Sa asawa ko to eh. I-open natin. Yung ano to, mga promotion na naman to. Promotion. Yun nga, bangko. Hay, nako. Yun nga, bangko nga. Bangko, gusto kang mangutang sa kanilang bangko. Hala, utang na. Ito ay galing sa company ng asawa ko. And then itong isa is if you're paying. Okay, ito ay house insurance. Insurance ba dahil sa bahay mo? Kapag masunog yung bahay mo, dahil sila yung magbayad dahil. Ito ay wala to, neighbor. Ito ay parang ano nila dito. Dyaryo ba? Easter egg hunt. Malapit na kasi yung Easter egg hunt dito, day. So kaya ito, napapadala sila mga ganito, day. O ito, mga sabi ko sa inyo, mga dyaryo lang yung ang mas madami yung mga dyaryo. Mga promotion. Wala. Promotion of the promotion. Ito ay bangko to ng anak ko. O ito, mga promotion lang dayo. Nilalagay nila. Yung mga product nila, yung pagkain nila, ito. And then ito ay sa kuryente namin. Iwan ko to, ipakapakita ko to sa asawa kong maya, day. Pasok na tayo, day. Ito, mga dyaryo na to na walang gamit, itabi ko na lang to, day. Pasok na tayo sa loob. Dito ko lang ilalagay. Hindi itong nasa sobre. Papakita ko to sa jusawa ko mamaya, day. Medyo madilim dito sa bahay, day, kasi nga, di ba, cloudy yung weather natin. Kaya, and then, hindi ko din inupin yung light, day. Para tipid sa kuryente ba? Nak!
Tingnan ko mabuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanino lang. Oh, 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 kanino lang. Oh, oh, oh,
Where you go?
sa siyang langit siya. Oh, oh,
Kain naman!
oh,
Ate? Ate? Ha? Ate? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Tilas kayo naglingkod-lingkod pa, day. Hindi, mahatak ka ron. Hatak ka ron. Akan to? Akan to? No, Asher, come back. Dali. Dali. Come back. Hoy! Dali. Mga inday, ulan pa rin sa amin dito, mga inday, mga dudong. Iwan ko buong araw na to umulan sa amin dito, day. Tingnan nyo. Walang plano na titigil yung ulan sa amin dito, mga inday ko. Hello mga inday, mga dudong. Update mga inday sa ating... Hold on. Ang ating video for today. Naka-ready na kami mga inday. Nakabihis na yung bata-batuta natin. Yay! And then yung anak ko day nasa labas. Nandito pala day, oh. Yung anak ko na may job interview today. Good luck, nak. Good luck, load luck. You can do it. I know you are a brave and smart. Ito na, my friends. Nandito na yung asawa ko, mga inday. Kailangan, it's 3:37 na. Nak, pasok. Asa na, kay kamo nasa likod. Oh, ay, pamuna. There, dito ka sa likod. Yeah, don't go. We will go now. Nandito, nagmamadali talaga kami dahil. Oh, you need to get in so much. Get in. Let's go. Okay. My love, it's all day raining, love, no? No, since in the
What are you
morning.
saying?
It's all day raining.
Yes.
No, I think when you, okay, Ginoo ko, Lord. When you was working, it's already raining. Yeah, when you go out in the house, it's already raining.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Ano na po? Buong araw na umuulan ngayon sa amin, tay. Ginoo ko, Lord. I hope.
We got 60-degree days to go through. Yeah.
That is super good. What time now? It's 3:38. You are still good, Gucci. 3:38. Malapit lang yun, day. Ang pupuntahan namin, day. Super rain. Nakiman, ano mo kung unsay position ang i-hire ka, ha? Okay, good. Dili man gabi idong hapon man do 8 hours naman na do.
That's one of my favorite stores.
Oh,
Tractor Supply.
depend this one lang.
They got all your stuff too.
Pang-adlawan mo na imuha na.
And then they got a great little candy selection at the checkout aisle. This used to be a theater. It's a church now.
What?
The blue sign. White
That
building.
one ha.
That's the one that I do donuts around the building.
Blue
with
Bell
me.
Mysteries. Okay, we are here na mga Inday. Nandito na tayo mga Inday. Sa interview place ng anak ko guys. Sasamahan ko lang siya sa loob. And then, babalik ako sa sasakyan. Nandito na lang namin siya hihintayin mga Inday.
Stop sign.
Yan na yung ano na yung interview na yun. Interview place.
No, not that bad. 48.
Yeah, not that bad.
Wanted to be here at 45. We missed it by 3 minutes.
That's right. Aday, papasok na kami ng anak ko. We will
Hang
go
on,
out
I'm
na?
gonna drive you out.
Okay. Kadali lang dong.
I had to wait for them to pass. Come on, old man.
Okay. Good luck, Kuji.
Are you going in with them or?
Yeah, I will go with...
I'll
And
probably
then I
park
will-
over here where we
Where?
normally park at. Over
Okay.
in this spot over here.
Okay. Pasok na tayo. Magdali ka na kay ang oras na. Aday, pasok na tayo day. Kay yung oras. Pupunta ka sa cashier. Punta ka sa cashier. Yeah, na, punta ka. Na. Hi, I have a interview. Anak ko nandiyan, yung anak ko din. Ah. Nandiyan yung anak ko din. Good luck, Koji. I pray you can have the job. Yung anak ko din. Dito lang mi sa park, ha? Dito mi sa park, ha? Maghulat si mo, ha? You can do it. Go, go, go. Yung anak ko, day. Nandun na yung anak ko, day. And then, labas na tayo. Labas na tayo, day. Para itong ano, day, malaking hardware sa atin dyan sa Pilipinas. Ito yung day. Ito, day, oh. Maraming mga ano. Nahihiya ako, day. Nahihiya ako mag-film. May mga atong sila dito, day. Ano? Dito tayo, day, ha. Mag-tour tayo, day. Sandali, day. May mga seeds sila dito. Ito, day, oh. Mga plant seeds. Malapit na kasi yung summer. Kaya ganito, day. Diba, day, mayroong ganito sa atin, day? Ganito. Yung kung magkano, wala mang presyo, day. Uy, tingnan natin. Wala mang presyo. Ito ay mga $19, $20, day. Ito, day, $20. Diba ganyan, mayroong sa atin dyan din, oh. Labas na tayo, day. Labas na tayo. Hihintayin ko na lang yung anak ko sa labas. Let's go. Labas na tayo. magaganda yung mga plants. $6. Hanggang $6.98.
Alright, I'll see you next week. Yep, that's it. Alright.
Okay. Nandun yung asa ko. Wala akong pa. Oh my God. Yeah, I don't like this rain. It's all day. Diyos ako po nandiyan. Ay, pasok na tayo. It's all day raining. Hihintayin na lang namin yung anak ko dito dahil nandiyan yung asawa ko, magpe-play yan ng music dahil i-off ko muna itong mga inday ha. Yung papa niya dahil nag-uusap dahil naglalaro silang dalawa.
Yeah, that's right.
Ito to Papa Asher. Oh, someone giving him love. Look. There is no There is no there is a act of kindness.
But
You cannot see. It's blurry. Tingnan yung mga inday, hindi nyo makikita. Pero, yung babae dahil tinulungan siya dahil. Ito dito. Yung babae dahil tinulungan siya dahil. Kanina pa siya dahil yung lalaki na yan dahil. Kanina pa siya dahil. And then, ano niya dahil ba? What we call of that? Mahina siyang naglalakad dahil ba? Sobrang hina niyang naglalakad. And then yung babae may blanket, tinulungan siya sa payong. Pero ano na siya, iwan ko. Kawawa naman, uy. Tutulungan ko sana dahil, pero wala man ako matulong dahil. Maliit ako dahil, pero wala akong magawa din kasi ang problema yung paglalakad niya. And then wala din kaming payong. Dapat sa kanya yung malaking payong. And then tinanong ko yung asawa ko, bakit siya lumabas, ganyan na sobrang maulan ngayon, and then saan yung mga anak? Kung wala siyang asawa na, so saan yung mga anak? Bakit hindi siya tinutulungan? Yun ba'y baka kawawa ba day? Nakakaawa day ba? Kasi yung diferensya, kasi ang diferensya talaga niya is yung paglalakad niya, sobrang hina niyang maglakad. So wala tayong magagawa. May ano naman siya, may tungkod. And then, sobrang maulan pa. Kawawa naman eh. Yung mga anak talaga, no? Bakit ba ganyan, no?
Why are you so greedy?
I'm not pretty. I need to lose weight.
So greedy.
I need to lose my belly fat. Love you ba?
Jodo ba?
Ang asawa ko dahil galing pa to sa work dahil.
I asked your daddy loved your mama.
You gonna stay with me forever?
Yes.
Ang swerte ko talaga sa asawa ko dahil I am lucky, I am blessed having my husband, you know. Even, I don't want to try gani.
Oh, your eyes are gonna be crazy.
Even sometimes we have a hard time sometimes, but I cannot feel the hard times. I cannot so much feel like I am so stressed. I cannot feel that because, I have a good man,
Yay.
I am, all I can say, I am blessed dahil na umiyak na talaga ako dahil sabi ko ayaw kong umiyak. Kasi dahil basta ang pag-uusapan dahil sa puso dahil, basta galing sa puso when you talk from from the bottom of your heart, it makes you tears. Because you say, what you say is true, it's inner of you, it is, your soul talking, so, yep. I'm blessed. Ayaw ko lang tong panahon na to dahil
Look at that, love.
Sobrang maulan. Yeah, it's so dark. Day, tingnan nyo yung panahon namin, day. Tingnan nyo, sobrang dark. Hanggang doon. Sobrang dark talaga. Ay, Ginoo ko, Lord. Sana all na lang jud ani, day. Okay lang talaga mag-ulan, day, kasi blessings yan, day, diba? Pero ito, day, all day na kasi to. Kanina pa itong umaga. Yung kamay, naghahawak ka ng kamay. Walang turjak kasi may dugo ang giti. Ay, patay, oy. Oy, i-cover nyo yung mga bata dyan na nanonood. I-cover nyo yung, kabiran nyo yung tainga nyo, day. Sorry. So ngayon, day, naghihintay lang kami dito ng anak ko, day. So far, day, hindi pa lumabas yung anak ko. 10 minutes na kami naghintay dito, mga inday. Hindi ko pwede ma-film si Bibi Kano kasi na doon siya sa babysitter. Yung pambata na ano, day, ba, upuan, day. Wala, day. 3 people there. I cannot see them. They are... Okay, I have no words. Mga inday, excited na ako, mga inday. Kung ano ang ichichika ng anak ko mamaya paglabas noon, day. Sana nga na yung anak ko, day. Ma-hired siya, day, ba? Kasi ito ay malapit talaga ito sa amin, day. Malapit talaga ito sa amin. Pwede lang mag-bike or electric scooter. Yan, day.
Well, that's moving. That is an extremely low cloud system, love. Look at it. It's 50 feet up.
I don't know.
It's next to nothing.
That is so low.
How you doing, Ashley?
Asher, are you okay? You eating something?
Yeah, that's just very low blowing clouds. They're barely in the sky.
Yeah, it's low. Sabi ng asawa ko, day, yung ano daw, day, yung cloudy, day, yung clouds na ano, day,
Those things are
dark,
so low.
day, tanawa. Nasa baba daw kaayo, day. Baba daw kaayo siya, yung dark ba?
Yeah, that's right, Asher.
Baba daw kaayo yung dark clouds,
You
day, ba?
preach your
Di ba
truth
makikita?
back there, buddy. Yeah,
Diba, baba kais tanan?
yeah, that's right.
No, pa yung anak ko dito, day. Wala pa talaga dito, day. Bakit stick tulong ko, Puji? We are waiting here like 15 minutes now. I don't know why.
Over there for?
Nganong kaya na kanikawas, Puji?
You don't like being dry?
You are wet now.
Mine getting wet, really.
Nandito yung anak ko, day.
Well, Kuji, while you're out there being wet, why don't you go stand up in the end of this parking lot,
Yeah?
go back further.
Farther?
Yep, right there. Now turn around and watch the front tire on my side.
Alright. Oh yeah, it kind of wiggles.
Nah, it's Wiggles. It's Wiggles, my love.
Oh yeah. It wiggles. It like, I don't know, it's not even. Yeah. It does that, yeah.
Ah, dahil na, pasok na dire. Come here na. Go inside
a
na.
little bit, yeah. It kind of wiggles a little bit.
And it was this tire?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I'm feeling, so.
Let's go. Love, my love, the light.
It could be something as easy as the tire's got a big rip or defect in it,
Yeah,
or something like that, and as it goes around to a certain
Nandito na
spot.
yung anak ko, day.
Yeah, since it takes a whole...
Yeah, because you can see, look, when I let go.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
bad. Yeah.
It's doing like that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's bad. It's not
Ah.
stable.
Yeah, that's
It could be
right.
bad, it could be nothing, I just don't know.
Let's go na, mga inday.
I gotta wait to get another car before I can start taking it apart and getting into it.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, now we
Yeah,
need a
because
car.
this is what we have. This is what we have.
Wow, look at those clouds, man.
Oh my God, it's more darker
Yeah, that's
there,
a
my
really
love. It's
low
more
cloud
darker.
system that just went over us.
Yeah, than here. Here is this, the other part is still cloudy. Wow.
Ano sila, napunta sila interview. Practice pa sa
Ha? Ang sa nga nak?
ano sila, napunta sa interview.
Ah.
Mili sila, select pa sila.
So manawag na sila or ay mag-email na sila na kung ma-select ka na. At least man nakag-interview, di ba?
Kaya ba, part-time rin ako eh.
Ha?
Part-time rin ako
Part-time na daw? Okay ra. Kay ana man guna sa part-time ka pag human obserbaran ka na kwao na kag full-time. Nga apoy ni ana nga sitwasyon.
It's hard to find full time because they don't want to pay benefits and stuff like that.
Oy, jeez.
So by keeping employees part time,
So
They don't
what that
pay the
mean
benefits.
part-time lab? Only 4 hours something like that? Or
it means something different for everybody. So I don't know. It just depends on how they've designed their part-time system. You know, because part-time can be I work 2 12-hour days,
so there is like that.
or it can be that I work 5 4-hour days.
It's depend what is
Just depends on what
then-
they've done. Yeah.
Okay.
You can't really make your own. It's not real.
Because
No, that's a non-option.
because what I understand in part-time, you only have 2 hours work or 3 hours work. That's what I was understand. So I'm wrong.
Well, that's worse situation like that.
That
I mean,
was
if I'm
the
going to
one.
work part time,
Oh, I will
then
not
just
work.
give me 2 15-hour days.
I
Yeah, and
will
then I'm
not
off for
work.
5 and I knock out 30 hours. There you go.
That's right. Nandito
That's
tayo
way
sa
better
bangko
than
dahil.
going in for
May
20
lap-
hours, 5 days a week at 4-hour days.
Lab tako daw lab ingon si pag tako daw talab the card of Fuji will use. Lab. Hey, we'll just use our card. Ako, ayaw lang na. We the one will pay. You need money right now because you are applying job. No. You keep your money, Kuji. We are good. Ayaw kong gamitin yung pera ng anak ko, Day. Kasi, Day, kung si Kuji, yung anak ko, Day, siya talaga yung, ayaw ko umiyak na naman. Ay! Yung luha ko ba? I don't want to cry again.
Well, my goodness, they don't have a 60.
You can put like a customize.
There is no customized, anak. There is no words there, customized. It's different. That's crazy. So, sabi ko sa anak ko, kami na yung magbayad. Kasi nga, naday, may mga interview, mga kailangan yung anak ko ba, yung driving school niya. So sabi, and then yung anak ko nang dahil din sa mga pangailangan namin sa tulong niya, kaya yun, most of his money is going to our needs.
Yes, Fuji's a good son.
Yeah, he is love. You know.
I'll try to be.
Well, we all have our faults, Gucci.
Oh
Nobody's
yeah.
perfect.
Even me.
Oh, I've got
I have
plenty of
attitude.
them. I can sit down and write you a Christmas list.
Mas madami daw sa asawa ko yung attitude niya.
Yeah, just a Christmas list of issues.
That's right. All of us, I think, we have attitudes.
Yeah, that's right, love. We have good days and bad days.
Yeah, that's right.
We're the good guy and the bad guy in any
Yeah.
given story.
Yeah, that's right. So that's why sometimes we just need to understand, each other.
Compassion and grace.
Yes, that's right.
Greatest thing that one can give.
Yeah, compassion and grace.
Right.
That's
And
right.
It should be easier for us when we reflect in the mirror. But
Yeah,
as
that's
human
right.
beings, it's not that easy. We want to be forgiven for the things that we do, but damn it, I want to hold a grudge against you.
It's easier than done, man.
It's it's a human nature thing, and you got to identify
Ay,
it,
we will
speak
have
it,
taco
speak the
lang.
truth.
Do you have taco or
And then
French
move on.
fries? Taco or French fries? Taco, Koje?
Yeah.
Taco, okay. Support the locals. Locals.
Yeah, I just don't know about that because he could be extremely expensive.
You just ask first, love.
And if they are extremely expensive, I just assume go up to
we
Hungry
go
Howie's
taco.
and
Yeah,
get
Hungry
chicken
Howie's na lang.
pizzas.
Tara, Hungry Howie's na lang.
Yeah, might as well.
Yeah, that is...
You're just straight into the Hungry Howie's, are you?
Yeah,
You want a thin
I
crust
tried,
one?
I
You like
tried.
the thin one?
What?
I like-
You know when they make the crust really thin.
It's that, you know, it's okay. You know, I'm okay with anything.
Yeah, hungry houses, yeah.
Hungry Howis na lang kami day. Oy.
Hey,
Ay,
could
you
you
just order
can you go
one.
up there and see if they have like a little menu that you can have to go?
Ah, Kuji, laka pangutana sa
I don't know if they will. I doubt it, but maybe they do.
Magtatanong muna yung anak ko day kung may menu sila day para pilian namin day. Diyan day.
Or you can look them up on Facebook.
No.
Right there. Like
yeah,
us on Facebook, and there's their code.
Ah, maybe
And
Kuji
that-
can take a
and
picture.
that would go to the
Kuji
menu.
will take a picture. No, it's okay.
Yeah, there you go, Kuji.
Shoot to. Good
Also,
job.
they got that right there. They got the
link.
barcode too.
It's cool. He's cool.
Well, here, come on inside
Hello.
the car, Kuji.
Oh, she's talking.
What do they have?
$4 each for a taco, and I can eat 10.
Oh, jeez, that's expensive.
$11 for a burrito.
Oh, that's a little expensive, love. Do we just go there, love, in the other one?
Well,
Yeah.
this one.
Grilled steak served with rice and beans. Your choice of corn or flour tortillas, $16.
Cheese. Wow. Let's go in the other one.
Yeah, that's the little trucks like that.
Pupunta na
Sometimes
lang
can be
ni-
expensive.
Pupunta na lang kami sa ano, day, sa yung na-try na namin one time ba? Sa, ano yan, what is the name of that one? The one, love? What is the name of that one that we try already? That yummy one?
The which would
You
you
know-
talking about tacos?
No. The thing that we will go now. We will go now.
Hungry Howie's.
Yeah,
Or
hungry.
my wife's chicken barbecue pizza
Hungry.
that she has fallen in love with.
Ay, you want to go in the Hungry Howie's?
Only her.
No, we actually just
Yeah,
do it for you, love.
Exactly, yeah.
No.
I mean, yeah.
I am wondering we will go in the beef. You know, the beef, the bread that there is a beef.
No, too late now. We're already going there now.
We are done in pizza.
I'm just
Bunny.
playing, love. I like the pizza.
Yeah, we go in the, you know, with the beef thing. But how much you pay that? Ay, that is $50.
You talking about the Mexican restaurant?
The
Not-
Mexican?
No, the bread not ba?
Huh?
The last time we ate there, I mean we.
You gotta give me some information.
Hold on, the last time that we ate that, there's a long bread that you like.
Oh, you mean the Big John steak and cheese?
Yeah, I'm thinking that we will go there. Okay, I'm wrong.
That's Big John.
Hey, not the pizza na meat pizza. Na pizza na lang. For the dinner. I was thinking we will go there. That's what I thinking. I'm wrong. Pizza pala. Sabi na sa pizza.
Pizza, gani, you know, ano siya?
Ah, my brain is not working sometimes gani no. Sa pizza day may pupunta kami sa pizza day dito day. Oh. Hungry Howie's. Alala, we don't have drinks man, love. We don't have Coke. Diyan day, oh, Hungry Howie's. Howie's. Dito day.
Por favor.
Yung asawa ko lang yung papasok doon day. Dito lang kami day. Doon na. You can love drinks, love.
420.
Drinks, love.
It's 420, love. 420, and we have 4 pot shops on the street.
Jeez.
You don't know what 420 is?
No, I don't.
That's International Pot Smoking Time. That's global.
Okay, I don't know.
But that's
about
on
that.
the AM, not the PM. So it's 4:20 in the morning. Stop pot smokers. Now all we gotta do is get them together with the crackheads.
Ay, Ginoo ko na kung bana jud parte jud kay Kanday eh. Parte katukatid day, di mawad ang istorya day. Hindi siya nauubusan ng salita day. Kapag ito yung ano nyo day, kapag ito yung mag-usap kayo day, hindi kayo mauubusan ng conversation. Alam nyo ba day, iikwento ako sa inyo day. Connection ito day sa pagkatukatid ng asawa ko. Yung first meet namin day, first meet namin doon sa Cebu. And then doon kami sa Malapascua Island. For 3 weeks kami doon day. Parang honeymoon namin yun day kasi first meet namin and then kasal na kami. Alam niyo ba mga inday, may isang babae doon na nag-usap sila kasi nag-walking kasi kami kasi yun front beach yung inistihan namin. Beach siya day ba na may mga parang small rooms pero day maganda yung rooms nila, decente, maganda din yung beach sobrang linis. Alam nyo ba day habang naglalakad kami and then kasi mahilig ito ng kape and then may parang coffee shop doon day na maganda din, nature vibes. And then day yung may-ari day nakausap niya babae. Alang sa pagkatukative niya day, and then nag-uusap sila and then nasa side niya ako. And then alam niyo ba day, sobrang silos ko day, nagsisilos talaga ako day. Kasi day yung, di ba tayong mga babae, mahahalata naman natin kung nag-flirt na yung babae sa kanya. And then nahalata ko na talaga day na nag-flirt yung babae sa kanya day. Kasi day, kapag magsalita ako sa kanya day, sa babae, hindi niya ako pinapansin. Yung asawa ko lang talagang pinapansin niya. Mag-usap sila. Kaya yun, alam niyo ba anong ginawa ko? Umuwi ako day. Anong nangyari? Walang pizza? Di na pizza?
Yeah. But they gotta cook the pizza. They don't get to just like have it or nothing.
Why you get this? Why you get this one?
It's diet, isn't it?
No, you will get later when the pizza is cooked. It's okay, it's already here.
I mean, I could take it back in and put it in the refrigerator.
No, it's okay, love. We have ice there in the house.
And then I asked them, they don't do the extra large in a thin crust.
Oh, that's
The thin crust are good, but it goes
Yeah, I
down
like the
easy
thin-
and fast.
Yeah.
But it doesn't fill you up as much because you don't have all that dough, all that bread. The extra bread that fills you up
okay.
the most.
So yun day, i-connection na natin day ha. I-connect na natin day. Bahala siya day. And then yun day, talaga ako day, nag-walk out ako day. And then yung asawa ko day, natingala sa Bisay, Tagalog, anong iwan ko? Iwan ko kung anong Tagalog ng natingala, basta natingala yung asawa ko day na nag-walk out ako. And then dinala ko talaga yung asawa ko day. And then pagkatapos day, hindi ko na siya hinawakan nung nasa labas na siya. And then and then pumunta ako ng room namin and then doon kami nag-usap ng asawa ko.
So, Kuji, what did they ask you?
It's just a situational type of questions. Really, that's all they ask.
Wala ka niya.
We'll see.
Yung asawa ko dahil.
Yeah.
Yung asawa ko dahil.
Support your mom.
My love, my dugo is come out na ba?
What?
My dugo. It's come out na in my bisong. You go
You
there.
are gonna be fine walking
I
through that.
don't
You
want
are
to.
trying to make
Lagi ko, wala.
excuses.
I don't want to go out.
You were doing. I will come with you.
I don't want to go out in the car ganino.
You were locked in that house all day long. Walk.
Okay. May dugo gani in may lubot. In may bisong di ay. I will stay here in the
No, we will go.
Go on,
I will
mother.
still be here inside.
We're gonna wait here. Go on. Dali na yun.
My dugo ba is come out. I can feel it right now. It's
You're
coming
getting a
out.
spanking.
I know, I don't want.
No, you're getting a spanking.
I will stay here gani.
Sana.
Ayaw ko lumabas dahil kasi yung dugo ko dahil ba, rigla ko dahil first day sa rigla ko ngayon and then medyo malakas na siya dahil. Kaya ayaw kong lumabas dito dahil. Akong asawa man good, gusto ko pala pagawason ba. Asawa ko gusto niya palabasin talaga ako dahil. Ayaw kong lumabas gani no. Hihintayin ko na lang yung jusawa ko dito.
Nakatana pa siya sa akong gitrabahoan. Sa
Sarap.
pangalan ba? Sa pangalan.
Background check man na, no? I-background check man ka na nila dong.
Di ko ganahan eh.
Hindi ka ganahan.
Kasi may ilang background sa mga mag-background.
Di, pangutan-on man na sa performance. They will, tatanungin yung old work mo. Kung ano yung performance mo doon. Kaya ganyan.
Hi mga guys. You say hi. Hi. Yeah. Hello, dear. Who's the dear? You tell him we just got out of Home Depot, Asher. Gone. So we just got out of Home Depot. Tried to do an interview and all that. Hopefully I get accepted. If I do, it'll be so near my house. I can just drive there and all. Without a license, of course. Right, Asher? Yeah. Yeah. I know, right? It's pretty cool, huh? What you doing? Alright, that's enough.
Magiging vlogger ka, anak. Parang may addiction ka na sa camera. Akong anak,
Hi,
day, si Asir,
guys.
day.
Hi, guys. You say hi, guys. Come on. You say hi,
You gonna
guys.
talk to them, Asher.
You have
If
to
you
talk
want
to
to
them.
be vlogger, you need to talk to them.
Yeah, go on.
No,
Say
you
something.
say hi. You
Say
say
something.
hi. Hi. Yeah, you say hi. Wag itaan ni Asher. They don't want to watch you. Naktiman, ano mo kung unsa yung position ang i-hire ka, ha?
Order.
Okay, good. Mga inday, nandito na tayo sa bahay. Nagkalisod ang atong agiday. Tingnan nyo, may sapatos ni Asher na natagak day. Basta natagak day. Anong Tagalog yung natagak day? Tulungan nyo ako. And then, may coke tayo dito. Paano day? Nahihirapan tayo sa kalisod. Pasok na rin sa bahay day. Wala, pasensya na kayo. Medyo dark talaga dito ba? Sa garage. Pasok na tayo sa bahay. And then, kakain na tayo mga inday. Habang mainit pa yung pizza. Yung nangyari sa pizza namin dahil nasa gilid yun dahil sa paghawak ko dahil it's my fault. Sorry guys.
Don't be sad, Asher.
It's my fault. Kasi it's too much hot kasi ba.
What happened, Fuji? Thought maybe it was too hot or something.
We're eating good, man. Alright. Cheers, everyone.
Kain tayo day.
Corn dogs, Prince?
Prince, corn dog, imo Prince? He said he will eat later.
Oh, this broken, huh? Gikat ni Madero.
Dikat eh.
Hang on,
Yes, Asher, we will
Yeah,
eat.
man. Hold on, man.
We know.
Yeah.
And then may ganito din kami
You sound
din.
like a chimp.
Yeah. So yummy.
That cheese, man.
So long.
I knew they would load it up.
Yeah, it's so
The
long.
reason why is because
Why?
when I went in and ordered the pizza, I says to the guy at the counter, we like to come here because the other Hungry Howies that are over towards Burton doesn't taste nearly as good.
Yeah.
So what do you think I did to him psychologically? I'm going to make this guy the best pizza I can.
You know what?
That's how you handle that type of Little 101, get the good stuff. Stack it,
Kain tayo de.
stop it.
Kuha tayo ng plato. My love, you have plates already? You want?
That's Asher. I just broke up the
Okay,
bread.
thank you. Oh, this is for you. That is your plate, my love, here. Why you carry Asher?
Because I didn't pick him up yet.
Ah, okay. Yun na.
Yeah.
Gusto din niyang i-carry si Asher kasi hindi pa niya nakarga kanina dahil galing sa work. Ah, kiss from Papa! Yay! You eat na! It's yummy? Yummy? Shush! Tumitingin naman yan na, ang bata na yan. Nakain na kami dahil. Mga inday, ito na yung pizza ko dahil at saka yung bread. Sobrang sarap dahil kasi sobrang init pa dahil ba? Masarap siya. And then yung drinks ko. Nandito na yung drinks natin. Kakain muna kami mga inday. Nandoon na din si Bibi Kano. May pagkain na. Hindi yung papa na nandoon dahil. So, kakain muna kami mga inday. Hello mga inday. Tapos na din kaming kumain day. Yun na yung dinner namin mga inday. But kay Bibi Kano, papakainin ko pa ito mamaya mga inday. Sobrang sarap ng pizza day kasi nga mainit pa talaga siya day. Mapapasok ka day. Mga inday, na po namin itong ating videos for today. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe mga inday kasi hindi pa din kami monetize. Thank you for watching mga inday, mga dudong. Have a good day